So I'm going to show you how to round to the nearest whole number. Basically what they're going to do is give you a number that has a decimal and they're going to ask you which integer or which whole number, they mean the same thing, it's closest to. So in this case you've been given 47.6 and asked to round it to the nearest whole number. I'm going to explain the logic behind this and then I'm going to show you a shorter method. So for instance, our starter number is 47 and our next number along would be, if we're counting up in whole numbers, we're counting up in ones essentially. So our next number would be 48. Now halfway between those would be 47.5 and that's called a midpoint. That's the number that's halfway between both of them. Now the number that we've actually been given is 47.6. And 47.6 is larger than our midway point, which is 47.5. So that means that it's actually closer to 48 than it is 47. So 47.6 to the nearest whole number would be rounded to 48 because that's the whole number that it's nearest to. There's only one special case. If they did give you 47.5 or any midpoint between the two numbers and ask you to round it, if it's the midpoint, you always round up. So anything from this line, you round up. So 47.5 is classed as being closer to 48 rather than 47.